Welcome to this tutorial on how to access NC Wiseowl ebooks. To begin with, we need to go to the Laney Media Center, and the URL is as follows: www.laneylibrary.blogspot.com. If you type that link into your web address window of your browser, it'll pull up the Laney Library webpage. If you type it in correctly, this page appears. This is the Laney Media Center webpage. And to access the NC Wiseowl portion, we click on Research. Up in the upper left-hand corner, we click on the Research tab. And the screen blinks. And then we scroll down. And we see Research. And underneath that, we click on NC Wiseowl Database and eBooks. We click on that. And this brings us to the NC Wiseowl database. Now for this portion of the tutorial, we're going to focus strictly on the ebook center. So if we scroll down to the left side, we find ebook center, and we click that. And now we have a list of all the different ebooks that this particular website or database subscribes to. You can search these individually, or you can search them all at one time. What's also nice is each one of these books has a nice description as to what they are. So if you're not sure what type of material are in these particular reference books, you might want to go through and look at these particular summaries. They're very helpful. Also, it is important for students to remember that these are actually digitized reference books. They have the same authority, the same quality, the same reliability as a book. The only difference is they're digitized and put into this database for the information to be easier to access to students. So you're not going to lose anything of quality when using ebooks. There are specialized encyclopedias that are digitized to put in this database. So to begin with, let's search all these ebooks for a particular topic. So let's go to Search All Ebooks, and then we're prompted for a password, and the password to access the NC Wiseowl databases is Wiseowl. So type in WISEOWL and click on Proceed. This will unlock the database and bring you to your search screen. Now at the search screen, we have a lot of different options to choose from. If we're going to link several keywords together, it's important that we change these different tabs to link to keyword. The first one is default to keyword, but the second one is default to document title. We probably want to change that to keyword. If we do that, we're going to have a lot more success in doing general searches. Now, if you know more information or know a specific article, then some of those other features will be helpful. But for just a beginning user, use the keyword search. It's most effective. So let's say we're doing sports. Sports and injuries. Type in sports and injuries, and we scroll down, and we click on search. We find 9 articles relating to sports injuries. And also what's interesting is we look over the left side, these articles are broken down even further by type. 8 articles, one is an overview. They're broken down by publication type, and we put our cursor right next to the title, it'll expand out, gives the entire title: the Gale Encyclopedia of Nursing and Allied Health, the Gale Encyclopedia of Science. But what's also real helpful is also broken down by subject, and you can click on View More, and it'll break down these 9 articles into individual subjects. So let's, for example, you're doing a topic on knee surgery and sports injuries in knee. We can click on knee, and it'll pull the article relating to the knees and the lower limb orthosis. Okay, we'll click on that, and now we're getting a definition of a specific type of injury and description. This is an ankle. This is the knee ankle factor, and then there's the knee portion of it. What's really nice about all these ebooks is that towards the bottom they have two nice features. One is the citation, so all the information you know is cited correctly, and it gives you the highest degree of reliability. And also, what's also nice is it gives you these nice hyperlinks to different other articles within these ebooks as well, and also within the same ebook. So you can hyperlink from article to article very easily without having to go back and search each time. This is a nice feature of this database. We scroll back up to the top. We have other options to choose from. We can download it to an e-reader. We can also download and listen to the article into an MP3 player. We also can use citation tools to actually put it in a particular format. So let's say we want to create a citation for this particular article. We click on Citation Tools, and then we click on MLA 7th edition and click Save. And then it downloads it and we keep it. And then we open up the file. And within the browser it creates the citation for us. And now we can copy and paste this into a bibliography or a works cited page, or we can write it down and make source cards out of it. Either way, this is an easy way to keep track of your citations in the database. This is a quick tutorial on how to use ebooks, and I hope you find it helpful.